everyone, this is Vivi from WMT China. Today I'm glad to introduce you our new production, the Crankshaft grinding machine, MQ8260B. This versatile machine combines simplicity of operation with exceptional flexibility. It's specially engineered for precision grinding of crampings, made joiners in automotive, tractor, and diesel engine applications. This machine can also be used as a conventional cylindrical grinding machine. Now let's see the specifications of this machine. The length is 4,000 mm. The width is 2,100 mm. The height is 1,630 mm. The max swing diameter is 580 mm. The max processing length is 1,600 mm. There are two 3-jaw trunks, driven by one headstock motor. The motor power is 1.5 kilowatt. There are 3-step speed of the headstock motor. It is adjusted according to the diameter of your workpiece. If your voltage is 50 Hz, the low speed is 25 RPM. The middle speed is 50 RPM. The high speed is 100 RPM. If your voltage is 60 Hz, the low speed is 30 RPM. The middle speed is 60 RPM. The high speed is 120 RPM. Look at this one. This is a grinding wheel. The diameter is 900 mm. It will be installed in the red part. The work table offers both manual and powered longitudinal movement. Put this handle in this manual position. You could move the work table by this hand wheel. Put this handle in this position. Then the two buttons can control the work table move first. You may ask, how is the accuracy of this machine? The roundness is 5 micrometer. The roughness is 0.32 micrometer. Let's see the accessories of this machine. This is the steady rest. It is standard. The two are dressers. This is the end face dresser. This is the radius dresser. This one is standard. This one is optional. This is the basic security cover. This is the whole coolant system. This one is the paper filter. This one is magnetic separator. The coolant system is optional. This is weight balancing. It is used for balance the crankshaft. This is standard. This one is a horizontal stand. It is used for checking the levelness. This one is vertical stand. It is used for checking the verticality. This one is the flange to fix the grinding wheel. Do you know what it is? This is the diamond pen to adjust the grinding wheel. This is optional. This is the wheel balance stand to keep the grinding wheel balance. These are all accessories of the crankshaft grinder. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in this machine, just contact with WMT.